How to enable YouTube subtitles on PC. If you're watching videos on YouTube and need to enable subtitles, you're in the right place. Subtitles can be incredibly helpful for understanding content better, especially if the video is in a different language or if you're in a noisy environment. Here's a simple guide on how to turn on subtitles on YouTube using your PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the YouTube website. Once you're on YouTube's homepage, search for the video you want to watch. Click on the video to start playing it. While the video is playing, look at the bottom right corner of the video player for the settings icon. This icon looks like a gear and is typically located next to the volume control and full screen mode button. Click on the settings icon to open the menu. In this menu, you'll see several options. Look for and select the Subtitles CC option. If subtitles are available for the video, you will see different languages listed. Click on the language you prefer, and the subtitles will now appear on the screen as you watch the video. If you don't see the Subtitles CC option, it might be because the video does not have subtitles available. Some videos might not offer subtitle options, especially if they're user-uploaded content without automatic captioning. Additionally, YouTube offers automatic subtitles in many cases, but these can sometimes be less accurate compared to professionally created ones. For a better viewing experience, you can also adjust the appearance of the subtitles. Go back to the settings icon and select Subtitles CC, and then choose Options. Here, you can customize the font, size, and color of the subtitles to make them easier to read according to your preferences. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you make the most out of YouTube's accessibility features and enjoy a more inclusive viewing experience.